pessoal, tudo bem com vocês? Espero que sim. Para quem não me conhece, eu me chamo Adélia e esse é mais um vídeo para o canal. Hoje eu vou limpar aqui a cozinha. Vou arrastar a geladeira para limpar atrás, que eu quase não arrasto, né? Porque é pesado, mas precisa de vez em quando a gente limpar atrás, né? Vou também lavar a louça, lavar a cozinha e vou gravar para vocês. Então, bora de vídeo! Pessoal, eu desliguei o freezer também para descongelar. Só vou ligar ele depois, só no verão. Joguei água sanitária com detergente, esfreguei, vou deixar um minutinho, vou esfregar de novo e enxaguar. Olha como é que a água tá suja, tava realmente bem suja atrás mesmo, no chão. Pessoal, deixa seu like, se inscreve no canal e ativa o sininho das notificações, se você gosta desse tipo de vídeo, de organização, limpeza, faxina. Aqui no canal tem de tudo um pouco, tem quando eu vou fazer um passeio. Tem várias playlists para você maratonar.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before. Take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. When we play our roles and mistakes and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance.
Eu aproveitei, pessoal, para limpar o freezer também, que eu tinha descongelado, tirei da tomada, mas não tinha tirado a água. E eu deixo sempre à noite a porta entreaberta, que aí não fica com aquele cheiro, sabe, de geladeira fechada.
My third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Mostrar o resultado. Ó, fogão limpo, louça lavada, aquele paninho da pia tá de molho na água sanitária. Chão limpíssimo. Um cachorro já caçando um lugar para se deitar, aquele que tem que ficar grudado comigo. Ó. Vim finalizar o vídeo, espero que vocês tenham gostado, que sirva de inspiração para vocês, arrastar a geladeira, limpar atrás, né? Que de vez em quando a gente tem que fazer mesmo. Obrigada por assistir o vídeo até o final, deixem o like, se inscrevam no canal e ative o sininho. Gratidão por ficar até o final, aguardo vocês no próximo vídeo aqui no canal. Tchau!
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice.